Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can make a wish list on Amazon. So you want to log in into your Amazon account, obviously, and then hover over hello and your name. And right here from the left hand side you will see an option to create a list. So we just want to select this option. Now we're going to scroll down and see this yellow button, so just click on create list and we set the name right here. So I'm just going to call it wish list. And we're going to click on create list. So now we need to change some things here. So basically you want to hover over the three dots and we want to manage this list. So first we need to change the privacy to public. We don't want to manage this list through Alexa, and this list is for yourself, and here's where you write your alias, your nickname, your OnlyFans username, whatever you want to write here. Email address, this is important because you will get confirmation here, so you want to use an actual email address that you use. And your birthday is not that important, but you can set whatever right here. Now the description, you can explain why people will be getting those things for you. So for example, you can say something along the lines of, if you get these things for me, you'll be my best fan, whatever, something like that if you're doing OnlyFans. So description, you can write whatever you feel like right here. Now here comes the important part. Actually, we can leave this as don't spoil my surprises, and keep purchased items on the list. This depends on you if you want to get multiple copies of the same item, if you're getting stuff bought for you. But here's the important part. So for shipping address, you want to click on this drop down menu. You want to select the address, your address, and right here we want to uncheck this, share my shipping address with sellers. So make sure you don't share this. Let buyers ship additional items not on this list to my shipping address. Also depends on your needs. If you want to be excited for what they can get you, then you can choose this. And keep purchased item on this list, like we said, it's not necessary, but it depends on you. So after you have set all of these, you want to click on save changes. And now if we want to send this link to others, then we will click on this button, send link to others, and we can do view only, and we can either invite people by mail or we can copy this link. So if we copy this link, then we can now paste it here and people will see it. But how do we actually add items here? So I'm going to search for mouse, for example, and I'm going to click on this mouse right here. And if we want to add it, you will scroll to the side and you will see this option to add to list. So you can add this item to your wish list, as you can see. And now we can view the list. We have this one mouse. And if we want to send this list to others, you will choose on view only. You will copy the link and you will send it to people. So that's how you do it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.